ASEAN MRA for teaching services. Encompasses both region building, the global mandate to achieve sustainable development goals, particularly the one for education, that's SDG 4, and enhancing teaching education as a sector and in relation to its responsibility towards community building, primarily when we talk about ASEAN community. Can I see how many people are familiar with the ASEAN community? Can you raise your hand? Have you heard of ASEAN? Okay. Do you know that as of November 2015, we have officially declared that we are an ASEAN community? Okay. So we should stop thinking about we are only the Philippines. We should start thinking about the Filipinos being part of ASEAN community and an ASEAN. Okay, can I get the next slide, please? So, this particular slide talks about the ASEAN community. As of November 2015, it was declared that we have an ASEAN community, but we have also put forward the ASEAN Community Vision 2025. This is just a very short and graphic view of what the ASEAN Community Vision 2025 is. We have three pillars, basically like ASEAN Economic Community, the ASEAN Political Security Community, and Socio-Cultural Community. The ones I highlighted in red are of relevance to education. Take note that we talk about education, we do have to talk about human rights, peace-oriented values, and basically ASEAN unity, cohesiveness, and centrality. We have to start thinking regional. We have to start thinking about ASEAN. In economics, we talk about the resolution for non-trade barriers. We talk about the ability to trade across the region without any barriers. It's not there yet, but ASEAN since 1992 has moved forward a lot, both in terms of goods and in terms of services. We talk about movement of investment, skilled labor, business persons, and capital. When we talk about